Hi students and friends, this is your host and teacher Sayyid Ayazuddin Haider, and you're watching Learn and Teach by Sir Ayaz. So I will continue my video session for the chemistry worksheet for CAIE 5070 and IGCSE 0620. This time I have selected the topic redox. So here's the topic redox. So we have some selected questions from P2 of 5070 and P4 of 0620. It's of the summer 2023. So let's get started. This question number 1. Potassium reacts with cold water. The ionic equation for the reaction is shown. 2Ks plus 2H2L gives 2K plus AQ plus 2OH negative AQ plus H2G. I hope you all understand the meaning of these state symbols S, L, AQ, and G. For your convenience, I am writing it here. S means solid, L means liquid, G means gas, and AQ means aqueous. When the salt is soluble in the solution or in water, we will write it aqueous. Aqueous, the word comes from aqua. Aqua means water. So we are talking about a solid substance in water in this case. Number 1, state in terms of electrons why potassium is a reducing agent in this reaction. Now they are asking in terms of electron. So which means you will talk about loss or gain of electron, nothing else in this question. So if you look at the equation, K acquired positive charge, which means it has lost electron. So you write potassium loses electron. Number 2, state the oxidation number of hydrogen in H2. You see, there is no charge on this molecule of H2. Whenever there is no charge on the element, either in the atomic state or in the molecular state, the oxidation number must be 0. Number 2, chlorine reacts with aqueous potassium iodide in a displacement reaction. Cl2 aqueous plus 2I minus aqueous gives 2Cl minus aqueous plus I2 aqueous. So this is a displacement reaction. Chlorine is above iodine, so it will displace it from its salt. Number 1, explain in terms of electrons why chlorine is an oxidizing agent in this reaction. Again, you will talk in terms of loss and gain of electrons. If you look at the change from Cl2 to Cl minus, there won't be any charge on Cl2, which means it must be 0. And here it's carrying -1. So it means it has gained electrons. So you write chlorine gained electron. So we have 2 moles of chloride ion, so we write electrons. Number 2, state the oxidation number of iodine in I2. There isn't any charge on I2, so it must be carrying 0 charge or oxidation number. Question number 3, name Fe2O3, include the oxidation number of iron. Now I don't know the oxidation number of iron in this case. Here's Fe2O3. We have 2 atoms of Fe, so I will write 2x here. What about oxygen? We have 3 atoms of oxygen. Oxygen is in group 6. That is, it's carrying -2 charge. So I will write -2 in the bracket. There isn't any charge as a whole on the compound, so I'll write 0 here. So the equation becomes 2x minus 6 is equal to 0, or 2x minus 6 plus 6 is equal to 0 plus 6, or 2x is equal to plus 6, or x is equal to plus 6 by 2, which means it's carrying +3. So +3 is the charge or oxidation number on the iron. So the name of the compound, it must be iron 3 oxide. Question number 4. Sulfuric acid contains SO4 minus 2 ions. The oxidation number of O atoms in SO4 minus 2 ions is minus 2. Determine the oxidation number of S atoms in SO4 minus 2 ions. Show your working. Now they have mentioned the charge oxidation number of oxygen atom and the overall charge is given, so you can easily find out or work out the oxidation number of S atom here. So for S I am writing X plus, we have 4 atoms of oxygen, so I will write 4. It will be multiplied by the oxidation number of oxygen, which is minus 2 here. Overall charge is minus 2. X minus 8 is equal to minus 2, or X minus 8 plus 8 is equal to minus 2 plus 8. So X becomes plus 6. So the oxidation number must be plus 6. Remember, you have to mention the charges. Don't just write 6. This is incorrect. And this is the right way of doing it. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching. Press like and share my videos. For more videos, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.